वेलकम टू रोहिला स्टेनो क्लासेस। आपका डिक्टेशन शुरू होगा 3 सेकंड बाद। रेडी, स्टार्ट। सर, we are conscious that we need to move fast to bring the corporation into being and yet not be hasty in proposing a structure which does not achieve our stated goals. It is in this context that during the next few months before the bill is actually taken up for consideration, we have planned to encourage different institutions and organizations to hold seminars, debates, and discussions on all aspects of the proposed corporation in addition to the panel discussions on the two media at various levels. It will be our endeavor to generate a national debate and to benefit from the many suggestions for improvement that will emanate as a result of this debate. We do not have any inhibition on this matter and will incorporate into the bill such suggestions and ideas that further the aims and objectives that we have in mind. If the bill is taken up for consideration and passed around May 1990, it will still take time to draft the rules and regulations, appoint the governors and other functionaries, and place them in position. We shall endeavor to take the consequential steps following the passage of the bill as expeditiously as possible. Even so, the appointed day may be about a year away. In the interregnum, Mr. Speaker, sir, it is not our intention to be idle or let things proceed as they are today. We are aware that much can be done immediately to ensure impartiality, objectivity, and to give to the media the much needed independence which will enable them to improve the quality of programs. We intend, therefore, to undertake a comprehensive review of the program being broadcast and telecast by AIR and Doordarshan. We will examine all procedures and reconstitute the various committees involved with programming wherever necessary. New kinds of programs will be considered. For example, we will try to increase the number of current affairs programs and encourage independent procedures to make them so that fresh, thought provoking ideas are placed before the audience. As regards television, we will try to make the second channels in 4 metropolitan cities much more likely so that they can provide alternative programs to meet the aspirations of the regional audience. To ensure that right from now, all this is done through a process which is rooted in the concept of autonomy and independence even before the law is enacted. We propose to immediately set up a compact 5 members board consisting of distinguished persons from the media, from the world of cinema, art and culture, the world of scholarship, agriculture and rural development, to oversee the functioning of AIR and Doordarshan. It must, however, be noted that ultimately it is the persons who direct and run the corporation who will count. The eyes of the entire nation will look to the Board of Governors to see how this goal is achieved. It will be our endeavor, as also the endeavor of my ministry, to provide all possible assistance. Stop. दोस्तों, यदि डिक्टेशन अच्छा लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन अवश्य दबा दें ताकि लेटेस्ट वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आप तक तुरंत पहुंच सके।